Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. For investors focused on passive income, Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited has declared a dividend of 41 Jamaican cents per share payable on October 16, 2024 to shareholders on record as at September 23, 2024. The ex-dividend date is September 23, 2024. Education technology firm Edufocal has reported a loss of 12.19 million Jamaican dollars for its second quarter ending June 2024. In the similar period last year, the company made a profit of $23.45 million. The company says this was a result of a strategic shift towards what it considers more predictable, reoccurring revenue streams. Edufocal says its investments in the Amigo platform, expected revenue growth, cost management, and technological innovation should boost profitability in the quarters to come. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica notes that there were higher transport costs for the year ended July. Statin says the point-to-point inflation rate for this category was 11.5%. Looking at the transport division's performance for the month of July alone, prices went up by an average of 0.4%. The main factors that impacted this were higher petrol prices, along with increased toll rates for the east-west leg of Highway 2000. During trading for the period September 5, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Agriculture and shipping conglomerate Jamaica Producers Group Limited, with 22,429,951 units, represented 40.23% of the total market value in terms of sales. Financial conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited, with 6,724,506 units, represented 12.06% of the total market value in terms of sales. Grace Kennedy Limited, with 4,773,822 units, represented 8.56% of the total market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 5, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $52.37 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $49.65 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.29 and bought the US dollar for $156.56. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.73, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.53 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $117.75 and bought for $116.22. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.10, selling it for $207.57 and buying it for $206.47. For our credit report tip of the day, we remind you that the back-to-school season can dent your credit score because of the increasing cost of supplies, clothing, extracurricular activities. But you can rebuild your credit score. You can prepare for your next financial milestone, whether it's a car, renovating your home, qualifying for a mortgage. And so we offer this idea. Consider a credit builder loan. If your credit score needs more substantial rebuilding, a credit builder loan from your financial institution can help. These loans are designed to help you establish or rebuild credit while saving money. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.